Hi, this is Vishnuvardhan, lecturer in mechanical department. My subject name is Manufacturing Technology 2 for C18 scheme. Subject code is M405. Today, my chapter name is Jigs and Pictures. Remaining topic yesterday uh, we have discussed some types of some principles of jigs and pictures in design, drill bushes, slip bushes, and drill bushes, and V locators, principles of pin locators, that is the locating methods and devices, and principles of clamping. Now, today we will discuss about the design principle common to jigs and pictures. There are some principles which are useful to design jigs and pictures. First one is the rigidity. Jigs and pictures. What is mean jigs? First, we have to what is mean jigs. Jigs means it is hold and locate the workpiece and get the cutting tool. Pictures means hold the workpiece but not get the cutting tool. And jigs, it is a lighter construction. Usually it is not clamped on the table. In pictures, it is a heavier and clamped on the mission table, and jigs is a used for holding the work and guiding the tool. In pictures, used for holding work for milling, turning, grinding, welding, drilling, trimming, tapping, and etc. operations. It is the rigidity. Now means it is jigs and picture should be sufficiently stiff to secure the preset accuracy of machining. Put foot proofing. It can be defined as the incorporation of design feature in the jig or picture that will make it impossible to lead the work into jig and picture in an improper position. There are many pull proofing devices such as pulling pegs, blocks, or pins which clear correctly position parts but prevent incorrectly loaded parts from entering the jig and picture body. Next one is the clearance. Clearance means the clearance means it is defined as the to maintain a gap at the workpiece and holding device, that is a gap, that is the clearance. It is the clearance is provided in the jig or picture body to allow for any variation in component sizes, especially casting and forging. The clearance means clearance, it is a provide jigs or pictures of the body to allow for any variations in component sizes, especially casting and forging, to allow for hand movements so that workpiece can easily placed on the in the jig or picture and removal after machining. This is the pull proofing of picture. This is the loaded correctly and loaded incorrectly. It is the variations of the two figures, two corners of the two end corners of the mismatched to the loading improperly. So this is the right way and that is the wrong way. That is the position is not fixed properly, then work process is not going sequentially and exactly. So any picture, any working process workpiece is fixed properly, then it will get a uh, exactly position as per drawing, and sequence operations can be completed within a time. There is no wastage of time. This is the duplicate location, redundant location and duplicate locating devices, part 1, part 2, part 3. This is the dowel pins are fixed on the square plate at the both ends. So and side corners is the fixed to the screws. There is no disturbance to the operations. Next one is the ejector pins are very important. Before we will going to the ejectors, some remaining topics are pending. That is the drill bushes. In drill bushes, in drill jig, the tools are guided properly. By using drill bushes in a jig plate. They are usually made for case hardened steel for easy entrance of the tool. An advocate chamfer should be made at the top of the bore, and also chamfer should be made at the bottom of their external diameter to facilitate entry into the bush plate. The some following types are used in drilling, that is the uh, fixed bushes, slip bushes and linear bushes. That is the three types of bushes are used in drilling. If that is also some topics, some types also divided. That is the uh, plain bushes. In fixed bushes is the three types are divided. That is the plain bushes, headed or flanged bush, shaped end, slip bushes. Next one, and third one is the linear bushes. First one is the fixed bushes. Fixed bushes is pressed to fit into the jig plate and used mainly when hole is produced with one tool. Headed bushes are preferred to headless plain bushes because it controls the hole depth and chances of bush getting loose sliding axially with the tool or lesser in headed collar bushes. Sometimes the bottom end of the bush is shaped to shoot the profile of workpiece to prevent deflection of tool. And is the second one is the Slip bush. Slip bushes are used when two or more tools are necessary for completing a hole. They should be prevented from rotating during drilling by using a retaining screw, as in the head of slip bushes is knurled to facilitate handling, and the linear bushes, the main function of linear bushes are to act as hardened guide for slip or renewable bushes, and to guide the tool linear bushes are forced to fit into jig plate. Next one is the ejectors. Ejectors, the use of ejection devices to force the workpiece out from the jig or picture, is important in two positions. That is, the work piece is heavy and machining pressure forces the workpieces to the slides are based on the jig or picture, and the pressure and oil or coolant fill will cause the work to stick and difficult to remove on small jigs and pictures. A pin located under the work will remove the part radially. This is the milling mission wise and workpiece. Ejectors can be used to recover gas that is a vaporized due to working losses from storage tanks, which occurs when crude level changes and when crude is exited in tanks, and standing losses which occur in daily and season changes in temperature and barometer. And some types of clamps also available. That is the drilling jig may be classified as follows: template jig, plate jig, open type jig, channel jig, channel jig, leaf jig, and box type jig. Channel jig, diameter jig, ring jig, box jig, angle plate jig, indexing jig, Trunnion jig. This is the types of jigs. A template jig, just shortly, uh, template jig, drill jig. This is the most basic type and the simplest form of drill jig, and Template jig. This is a template jig figure. This is the most important and simplest type of jig. It is in this figure, uh, workpieces is fixed at the both two corners, and drill bit is a insert to make a hole by using drill bit. In this template, drill jig is a this is simple plate of metal or wood which has holes at correct location to be made in the workpiece. The size of the template jig is the same as that of the workpiece. Plate serves as template which is fixed and overwrapped with the workpiece, and drilling is done quickly. Use of this jig avoids the marking operation completely, and to improve accuracy. It is simple and least expensive type of template jig, and it is simply plate made to the shape and size of the workpiece with the required number of holes made it. It is placed on the workpiece, and the hole will be made by drill, which will be guided through the holes in the template should be hardened to avoid its frequent replacement. This type of jig is suitable if only a few parts are to be made, and template is a simple drill jig and may be used when making plain holes. It considers holes to guide the tool and is used directly over the component. And second one is the this is the uh, they may not have bushings when the bushings are not used in the jig plate is normally hardened. Next one is the plato type jig. This is an important of the template type of jig. In place of simple holes, drill bushes are provided in the plate. To guide the drill, the workpiece can be clamped to the plate and holes can be drilled. The plate jig are employed to drill holes in large parts, maintaining accurate spacing with each other. In open plate drill jig, it is enhanced form of template jig with jig bushes incorporated in plate. It consists of a single bush plate with provision for location and clamping of workpiece. The flat plate containing bushing is their main structural member. All the details are attached and referenced to the plate. They have built-in clamps hold the workpiece from it is suitable for mass production, and a template jig in which drill bushes are provided is called plate jig. It is used for accurate drilling on large parts. This is next one is the open type jig. Open type jig. In this jig, the open type jig is a enhanced form of template jig with jig bushes incorporated in plate. In this jig, the top of the jig is open. The workpiece is placed on the top position. It consists of single bush plate with provision for location and clamping of workpieces. Workpieces. The flat plate containing bushing is their main structure member. All the details are attached and referenced to this plate. They have built in clamps to hold the work. May or may not have legs and supported to the legs. For it is suitable for mass production. It is suitable for mass production. Next one is the channel. Next it is the plate. The plate jig is located and clamped directly on the workpiece. Plate jig is easy loading and unloading of workpiece. Chip removal by providing clearance between plate and the workpiece. Thin pots are stacked on above the other for drilling at one time. Workpiece profile is located by different locations at the pins. Workpiece is clamped by two knurled screws against the location pins. Next one is the channel jig. Channel jig, the body of channel jig in the form of standard channel. The component is located in channel and is clamped by screw. It is used for drilling simple symmetrical shapes. The channel jig is a simple type of jig having channels like cross section. The component is fitted within the channel is located and clamped by locating the knob. The tool is guided through the drill bush. In the channel drill jig is the cross section of the jig resembles as channel. The component is fitted sorry within the channel is located and clamped. Simplifies location and clamping. It is the location of pins and rectangular surfaces for location. Single screw for clamping. Drill is guided through the drill bush. Channel jig is the economical position, and the workpiece is located and clamped to base that is suitable for a number of operations can be done on channel drill jig. The workpiece is located and clamped to base that is suitable for a number of operations can be performed. Next one is the box jig is missing in this topic. So box jig is used when drilling is required on more than, okay, here box jig, more than one plane. The body of the jig is made of box like structure in which the component is located. One side of the box would be fitted with the cam or latch to provide the necessary opening for inserting the component and unloading it. When the holes are to drill more than one plane of the workpiece, jig has to provide with equivalent number of buses plates. For positioning jig on the mission table, feet have to be provided opposite each drilling bush plate. One side of the drill jig, box type jig, will be provided with a swinging leaf or for loading and unloading the workpiece. Such a jig would take the form of a box type. Such a jig should be as a light as position, since it will have lifted again and again is easily. Typical figure for box type jig as shown in figure. Next one is the leaf jig. Leaf jig or latch jig. A drill jig with a hinged plate with a hinged jig plate in which one or more drill bushes are fitted is called leaf or latch type jig. The jig plate must be positively located such that the axis of bushes are vertical during drilling. The latch is clamped by nut and the workpiece by clamping screw. It is also a sort of open type jig in which the top plate is arranged to swing about fulcrum point so that it is completely clears the jig for easy loading and unloading of the workpiece. The drill bushes are fitted into the plates, which is also known as leaf, latch or lid jig. This leaf jig has hinged jig plate. Drill bushes are fitted on the jig plate, which is hinged at one end. The jig plate can be swing side to provide clear path for workpiece loading and unloading. Clamping screw and drill bushes are accommodated in jig plate. The jig plate must have positive resting surfaces. The jig plate is clamped against the resting face by an eye bolt. Quick clamping and unclamping of the jig plate is possible. Hand knob is provided to facilitate clamping. And indexing jig, other type of the indexing jig. Indexing jig, drill jig in which index plate is incorporated so that the workpiece can be indexed successively for drilling a series of holes on its surface under a single bushing is called indexing jig. It is used for drilling a series of holes equally spaced in a circle on the workpiece. The principle of indexing jig, in which indexing is achieved by using index plate and a plunger. Next one is the universal uh, universal jig. Universal or pump jig or plate jig with guide pillars. The guide pillars position the drill bushes correctly with respect to the workpiece located on the base plate. The jig plate is lowered to touch and to clamp the workpiece, and after drilling it is raised to uh, relieve the workpiece. The jig plate is moved by handle with operates rack and pinion. Universal jigs are used for drilling workpieces having parallel surfaces. In table jig, this style is also called sometimes also called is the table jig. Table jig is the diameter of the jig feet should be bigger than slot of machining to prevent the feet from falling into the slots. And next one is the Pato drill jig. Pato drill jig, there should be enough clearance head of the workpiece for the overshoot of drill after passing through the workpiece. The pot is provided with bigger slots for the passage of the drill disposal of chips. These slots are aligned with the drill bushes in the jig plate by using location pin. A location pin is provided on the pot and a corresponding slot in the jig plate. The pot is also used for anchoring the clamping, that is the sea washer facilitates clamping of the workpiece. This pot drill jig uh, is not available in the diploma subject. So it is just to knowing the some types of jigs. The workpiece is located from it outside a bush. The workpiece is only placed in the pot to support the flange. Drill plate is located directly in the workpiece before. And another type of the plate jig, angle plate jig, the locators are generally fixed to the vertical wall of the angular body. The central locator has groove for the passing of the drill after passing through the workpiece. The cylindrical locator and diamond pin locator are fixed to the vertical wall. Turn over a table type jig. This is also other type of the jig. Workpiece having no suitable resting surface for drilling can be drilled conveniently with turn over jig. Turn over jig is plate jig with jig feet. It is the height of the feet should no longer than the clamping stud. Turn over jig is turned over for loading and unloading the workpiece. After loading the workpiece, the jig must be turned over to rest on the jig feet for drilling. Turn over a table type jig. It is the finally uh, jig facilitates it is the good precise location and easy pull proof loading on of the workpiece. It prevents bending of the workpieces. It has simple space for chip accumulation. It is light in weight, and the some workpieces should be supported against bending which occurs due to the downward thrust of the drill. The jig and workpieces are also subjected to thrust in the direction of the feed of the tool. There should be enough clearance below head of the workpieces for the overshoot of the drill. After passing through the workpiece, locating and clamping elements in drill jigs are subjected to high torque in the direction perpendicular to the axis of the tool. In some revision of the some types of jigs is the plate jig, turnover or table jig, leaf or latch jig, and box jig. Some plate jigs are used for the workpieces having parallel machined faces on side to be drilled and used for resting. Table jig is the used for workpieces having a machined surfaces on the same side as the holes. And leaf jig is used for workpieces having machined surface on the side opposite to the tables. Box jig is used for drilling holes from a number of sides on the light workpieces. Thank you.